to this like wheel.
Do you like it?
What I do, we just got paint the wheels.
Sister has to paint the wheels?
But there's, wait,
What does this say?
these are, that's like the moose. This is not like the moose. This is not like the moose.
No.
It's a car.
That's a car. What's this?
It's like the moose car. It's like the moose frame.
It's a caboose.
It's like the moose frame. See it? 1, 2, 3. Sister painted green. We got paint my wheels.
Well, I think they didn't paint the wheels so that they wouldn't get stuck and they would roll nice.
Where are sisters?
They're playing. We will find them. What do you want to tell them?
Let this give me clocks and this clock out there and paint my frames.
Okay, so who made this for you? Who made this whole train for you?
Wait.
Who made it for you though? Did Papa make it for you?
No. Sister.
Sisters painted it, but Papa made it for you.
Papa paint red. Papa paint red.
Papa made this whole train with his own hands. He cut all the wood and made it for Max, just for Max.
With his sister, like cut.
No, I think he had to use big wood cutting tools.